Whenever we're using variables like tempo in Scratch, it's important to keep track of what it is. So let's experiment a little bit with set and change. I have 4 scripts here, and we're going to see if we can predict what the tempo will be after the script runs. This first one says set tempo to 100 beats per minute. If I double click on that, it's going to ignore what the tempo is right now and just set it to 100. Let's double check. Yep. This next one is going to set the tempo to 60 and then change the tempo by 20. That's like doing 60 plus 20. So we should get 80 beats per minute in the end. Let's double check. Yep. This next one is going to set the tempo to 100. So it ignores whatever the tempo is right now and sets it to 100, and then changes the tempo by 20 once, and then changes the tempo by 20 again. So total, that's going to be like 100 plus 20 plus 20, or 140. Let's double check. Awesome. This last one, we're going to set the tempo to 60, and then change the tempo by 20, and then set the tempo to 60 again. This one's a bit tricky. We might think it's like 60 plus 20 plus 60, but is that right? This last block, this set tempo to 60, ignores what it was before. Let's click on it and see what we end up with. In the end, I end up with a tempo of 60, and that's because the last block I run here says set the tempo to 60. And remember, set blocks ignore what the value was before and set it to this number. These can be pretty tricky, but try thinking through them, going one step at a time, pretending that you were the computer.